What is up? What is up? What is up, chat? I think I'm back after like a year, like 9 months. I'll explain what happened. Um, I explain what happened. Basically, I failed an FTMO challenge last time, so I decided to take a break to focus on my studies at the uni, and yeah, I passed last year. So this summer I'll be back trading. And for the past 2 weeks, I've been forward testing and back testing, and it turned out all right. And yeah, right now I decided to keep journaling. I mean, I've been journaling a lot, and I say now I'm ready to start posting again and to make more connections. I mean, just to give out free gems. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I explained some quick quick traded today. So the entry, I'll leave the other one on. So the first trade that we took was this trade. The target was a bit dumb, but basically I saw a liquidity sweep over here, liquidity sweep, and also the stop hunt, another liquidity sweep. So I was waiting for it to go back to the 61% level. The 61% level, which is the OTE. If you know what OTE is, then do your research. Hunted at this level, 61% discount level, overlapping with Fairly Gap and the block below. Too high of a confluence. So I rested my entry over here and targeted here. I mean, I made quite of a mistake though, because it should have been here. It really should have been here. It really should have been here if I wanted to play it safe. However, I've seen price disrespect that, so I left it here, being quite confident. Little do I know that is not it's not the best take profit, because that's not a take profit point. That's an entry. That's another entry. And I actually set up a trade before this trade. I explain it later, but this level right here, that is the another entry. So I should not have put my stop loss there. If you get what I'm saying. Oh, it's a bit messy, but I actually got 2 winners today, so I need to leave it on for to explain it later. So basically, my stop loss should have been all the way up here. Oh, all the way up here with 3.9, basically a 4R. As you can see, it ran straight through it. So it was a really good entry and really good model. I explained the bias later. Because it was kind of long. But basically, the entry model that I used was liquidity sweep, 61% OT discount level, overlapping a fair value gap and order block below, targeting a recent liquidity. Have you got it? Have you got that? Anyway, let's skip to the next one. If you get that, yeah, hit subscribe, like, comment, anything. For the guys that haven't seen me for a long time, do not question my hair. I'm gonna get it permed. I'm gonna get it permed like in a month. So yeah, I really hate this hair, to be honest. Like at the moment, I already firmed it. Like I was not born for this hair. But anyway, so this thingy, I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, this thing is just for now. Oi. Sorry guys, I'm not that tech savvy, you know what I'm saying? Let me just delete these stuff are irrelevant. This order block is kind of dead as well. Again, I was waiting for liquid. So basically this family gap over here was respected, but I knew it was only a short term respect. It was only a short term like reaction to the downside, because that's what dumb money do. They respect the fair value gaps. Okay, so basically after price respected the fair value gap. Oh, I explained this red thing later though. I actually explain it the red thing later. It basically just some test that I put on. But yeah, I do. Can I leave it late for later? Yeah, I'll leave it for later. It's cool. Basically, um, this fair value gap. Draw it again. This fair value gap right here was respected to the downside. However, price has not. You see what I'm saying? However, price has swept liquidity once. And if the fair value gap been respected, I would want to see the stop, the liquidity point right here, or my terms, I say is a stop hunt. Is a perfect point to hunt the stop for smart money to go all the way up and make a lot more money. It's a perfect discount zone with a lot of stop losses there to drive their price higher. So that's why I was waiting patiently for price to hit here. If price goes all the way down, if price actually goes all the way down, then that'll be a no trading day for me. But if price went up over here, disrespect the fair value gap, acting as an inverse fair value gap, I would go in. Why? Because if price okay, it's time to explain the my daily bias now. Okay, I just journal it somewhere over here. Okay, let's zoom a bit. Monday 11th August pre-C pair one day. Okay, so that so that was 2:30, right? So this was the recent 4-hour low. So every time, delete everything just to show it again for you guys. So on every day, I will look at the weekly. This is the actual gem that you should stay and watch. Or if you stay until the end, I'll show you some new new crypto play that I spent like the whole day researched about. Basically, every week since today was Monday, I would map out the last week's highs and low over here and the all-time highs over there. So basically, before market open, it swept out the highs, Friday's high, some sort, yeah. So the previous highs, the previous week's high. So as a trader, I would go in and map out the 4-hour highs and low. So I've seen price swept out this thingy, so I wouldn't really have to care about it. 4-hour highs and low, and the 1-hour highs and low, just before 2:30, which is these. Um, I'm actually so slow. I've been off the game for so long. That's 4-hour high, 1-hour high, 1-hour low, 4-hour lows. 15. As I came into the market, I saw a fair value gap which has been respected hella times. 15-minute fair value gap, and this was the turning point. You see this like quadruple top that price Oh, today's analysis is going to be a long analysis, man. If you can watch until here, please leave a like. You see this liquidity pool, like it's been tapped 4 times. That is the main area that I want to see how smart money react off. Okay, and try and follow. Okay, let me go down to the 1 minute time frame and explain every single thing. Okay, so as for before pre-market a little bit, before pre-market, as we can see, price went and wrecked 1 hour low immediately. 1 hour low, liquidity taken. Okay, this is not a confirmation of bias. A lot of people would be like, "Oh, the low has been taken. Oh, we have to go longs." That's what banks do. They go in and take out liquidity before or as the session started, so that they will have more money in the pool to actually manipulate. Okay, so the first low has been taken over here, and the thing that caught my attention was this February gap, 15-minute February gap, which has been retested for 5 times. Okay. Yeah, this is 4-hour low. So keep an eye on that as well. This area is the key area. So when I see price reacted off of it, look at this candle. This candle. Oh, where's the pen? Where's the pen? This candle right here. You see the point? That is not the reaction I want. That is definitely not the reaction I want from this kind of level. Okay? Because when a lot of liquidity is sitting there, when price react off of it, there would be, what can I say, a larger, it'll be more volume than this candle. Like people will want to drive, the smart money people, they will want to drive price into a level so that it automatically react, because there are resting orders there. This level, there was no resting order, as I said here. Why would price taps into this area 4 times? Sellers are strong. If they can break this level, they can reach the 4-hour high. Broke liquidity point, no action. No orders been placed here. Okay. Also, yeah, when they took out the 4-hour low, did they take out the 4-hour lows? Oh my days, I missed that 4-hour lows. My bad. Yeah, you guys won't blame me. I'm gonna quit the video, bro. Oh my days, such a, yeah, the 4-hour lows. The 4-hour lows is here. Why did I mark it? Let's go again. Okay. Oi, oi, oi. Be patient. Be patient. If you want to make money, you gotta be patient. Okay, so as you can see, 4-hour low has been taken as well. 4-hour low taken. Previous 4-hour low taken. And we do see kind of some sort of, move up. Okay, that is not a thing. That's just the price that is at right now. That's not a thing. That's not a liquidity point. And it left something here. You see that point? That's a stop hunt. That's what I call a juicy stop hunt. Bro, I love my lingo. A juicy stop hunt is where people like you and play. People like, when they first watch TGR videos or newcomers, they see, oh, that's liquidity, 4-hour low taken. We have to go for longs. I'll enter here. Oh, it's taken. It's going up. Oh, so much momentum. Oh, yeah. Like something like this. Or maybe like even higher. And people wouldn't be fine with like 1 hour. They would go for 2 hours at least. Something like this. And eventually they'll get wrecked. Because smart money are here to wreck people like you guys. Not you guys. I want to say that to you guys, but the only reason that you're watching this is because you're not profitable yet. I'm not profitable yet. But today, I can say that today I thought and acted like a profitable guy. But yeah, this is the perfect stop hunt. So what I wrote here was that if the smart money people trying to go long, they cannot skip that level. The previous 4-hour low and the juicy stop hunt. Okay. Previous 4-hour low. Why? Because these two areas they're next to each other. They're so close to each other. And if the smart money people, if they can force price as here, all the way down here, they would have so much resting liquidity to force price higher, as you can see right here. That's why you see this kind of wick. That's why you see this kind of manipulation. You see what I'm saying? So that when you hit 2 liquidity levels at the same time, you will make so much money. Okay? That's the main, like, oh, what the flip? Where's my previous 4-hour low? Okay. Yeah, that's the main thing that I saw my biases today. And I went in for yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. So I basically show you guys daily bias. So as I saw SMC, smart money, no, the smart money people, they manipulated the market, take out all the crazy lows, and saw a good reaction upwards. That's my bias confirmed. And that's when I looked for, let me do it again because it's very satisfying. The fair value gap was respected. I expected this inversal of the fair value gap. Where did I put my stop? Yeah, my stop was down here. I'll explain the stop as well. Why was I so like obsessed with that stop? Not obsessed, but like sure, confident about it. Yeah, that's like my resting order after I see that this liquidity got taken out. Where was my second one? There was this. I don't know if you know about equilibrium kind of shit. Basically, when smart money see a trend and they want to get their discount, their money, their orders in discount, they would go for this area, Fibonacci level, 61% to 78%. Most banks they trade with robots, and as soon as price hits 61% level, they automatically buy. That's why I rested my order here. Here we go. I rested my order here because I see an order block. I'll actually show you. I saw an order block and like family gaps over here. It was like a very high probability setup. So I know even if price can go lower than here, they will go all the way up. So I put my stop like here because you know it's already almost 5. It's like 4. It's 4:50. Like the market is gonna close at 7. So people wouldn't want. Why would they want to hunt stops around this time, right? Why would they want to hunt stops around that time? That basically it's just a free stop loss. And I've seen a lot of traders out there like in the market, in the social media, bro, they're so confident they will leave the stop loss like here, bro. They will go crazy. But I don't know. I'm not that high risk appetite kind of thing yet, so I'll just leave it here. And where did I target? I targeted up there. Right here for 4R. I entered a bit here though, 61%. Yeah, but there we go. Oh, and my crypto picks as well, because you stayed until the end of the video. It's laggy. Stayed until the end of the video. Not crypto. Wait. Oh no, I don't want to show you. Nope. Okay. These are the coins that me and my assistant we have researched together. Ondo, RWA. I expected it to beat traditional finance in the future because what Trump is doing. I might make another video to talk about this because that might take a lot of time. But Ondo, Algo, Ethereum, FET, SUI, and NEAR, they are super strong because they have both really good leaders who have been in the market for 20, 30 plus years. The network that they have, it's billions of dollars. The network, I was saying, like the people that they know are worth billions of dollars. They cannot lose in the bull market. I'm telling you, if they are leading a project like that and their influence at that high, they would never lose in the bull market. That's my take though. This is again not financial advice. You never ever take anyone advice for granted for 100%. You have to make your own research. But here, this is my pick for the next bull run. NEAR, SUI, FET, Ethereum, Algo, and Ondo. Also, another thing that I put it as 8.5 credibility was that their fundings are, they have, how do I say it? They have sufficient fundings. Like they would never go into debt. They have good fundings. And there's still a lot more work to do though. I have to do some Sharpe Sortino ratio and check some volume as well, but I'll do it another day. Maybe I'll make a video on it. But today was a really good day. I made my comeback to the YouTube channel, and it's good to see anyone that's been following me for the past year again. If not, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'll do a lot more videos like this. And yeah, if you're here to follow the journey, leave a subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any questions, yeah, leave a comment. Then blah, 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 blah. I'm so bad at ending video, but yeah. Peace. See you tomorrow, CPI, or maybe not. Take it easy.